Today, a delicious Caprese ciabatta sandwich. Let's do it. So this sandwich is really fresh and delicious, bursting with summer flavors. So let me show you how we do it. The first step, we want some lovely ciabatta. Cut it in half, give it a little drizzle with some olive oil, and then you want to pop it under a grill and toast it off until it's golden brown and crispy. And after a few ticks, remove your ciabatta, pop it to one side to cool down a touch while we prepare some garlic. So take a few cloves, peel and dice up the garlic relatively fine, stick it into a bowl, and then some cherry tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes into quarters or eighths, pop them into a bowl, and then some lovely fresh basil. Add a generous amount of the basil leaves to the tomato, give it a stir, and then a drizzle of some extra virgin olive oil. Pop in a teaspoon or so of the garlic and add a little splash of balsamic vinegar. Season with some salt and pepper. Give everything a really good stir, and next, some lovely buffalo mozzarella. Very simply, slice your mozzarella into slices, and then we're good to go. So take your ciabatta, add the slices of the mozzarella, and then spoon over the tomatoes, basil, olive oil, and balsamic. Be generous, really pack out this sandwich, and then all that's left to do is pop on the lid, and there we have it, a delicious Caprese ciabatta. So get stuck in, give it a try, and I'll see you next time.